Finally.
Oh my god, this is so beautiful.
You like it?
Yes, I love it. I love it, I love it. Oh,
I like it too. So have you been here before?
No.
Okay.
Yes, I mean, I came with a contractor friend. That was when the house was almost completed, and I saw it and I loved it.
Okay.
Yes.
I see. So what about the couches?
Babe,
the TV?
what about the agent? Can you show us around? I mean, the rooms, upstairs, the dining. There are a lot of places to see, right? Let's go. Yeah.
Yes, why not?
Hello.
Chachi, how are you?
fine. How are you?
I'm fine.
Are you people waiting for a cab?
Yes, actually we are.
Gachi, what is it?
Why are you always everywhere like a lost spirit?
It's okay now. We're not fighting. Eh? Listen, I know things are no longer the way they used to be. But I'm sorry. Don't be mad at me. I saw you people, so I came. Please, I want you to help me beg your friend.
Wonders you never cease. Eh? What do you want me to tell her? To tell her that you've suddenly become rich overnight and that you want her back?
See, let me tell you, money is not everything. No. Money is not everything. Besides, we love each other now. She loves me and I love her too.
Yes, she loved you. But she no longer loves you again. Kachi, look, let me give you my candid advice. Look for a little and cheap girl somewhere and profess your love to her. Okay? If I must advise you more, try and cut your clothes according to your available material.
Ebere, that's enough. Stop it already.
It is not enough. It is not. How can a sane man like this go to a Rolls Royce stand with money that can barely afford a beetle? Isn't it madness? Eh? I beg to take my leave.
But this isn't fair. Why was she speaking to me like that?
Kachi, enough. Don't mind Ebere. Ebere has been like this since last night and she refused talking to anybody. Don't mind her, okay? I'm going to talk to you. Yes, I promise. I'll talk to her.
Please, talk to her. Tell her I still love her. Tell her she's always in my dream. I see her every time.
Mercy, we are late now. Can you shut up?
I'm going to talk to her, okay?
Yes.
I promise. I'll talk to her.
Can I help you find a cab?
No, don't worry.
Are you sure?
Yes, I don't want to stress you. Just go. We can take care of ourselves.
Okay. Please don't forget to tell her.
I promise. I'm going to tell her. For now, bye-bye. Take care of you, Kachi.
Tell her I love her so much.
I will.
Babe! Babe? Hey, what are you doing here? I mean, aren't you supposed to be upstairs?
Slow down.
Come
Slow down, will you?
on. Look, I need you.
Stop. Just stop it.
Honey.
Stop it. Just slow down.
Why are you resisting me? Why? Look, I don't get it. I am a woman and I have blood flowing through this vein. So why can't you satisfy my urge? Or are you not a man?
Look, I just cannot do what you're doing, okay? I cannot.
Are you still a virgin?
No.
So what's the problem?
My tradition frowns at this. Okay? Do you understand now?
No, I don't understand. How?
It's a taboo for the crown prince of my kingdom to see the nakedness of his to-be wife. That's what it is.
To be wife? Wait. Is this a marriage proposal? Huh?
Well, yes. Unofficial. Unofficial.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Because as the crown prince of my kingdom, there are certain things that I need to do, certain processes I need to undertake before I propose to that special lady. Especially if she's not from my kingdom. Yeah.
I see. But honey, you should have told me this before now. Because, man, anytime we're together and you don't make love to me, it makes me have many thoughts. It makes me feel like you don't find me attractive. But it's fine. I understand now.
Fantastic. So we can go up now?
Yes, we can.
And you will slow down?
Oh, honey. Yes, even though I'm honey, but I'll manage.
Okay. You can can slow it down with my arm.
Let's go.
Yeah.
My love, please. I love you so much. Look at me. I am kneeling right in front of you, begging you. Please, come back to me. I love you.
Kachi, I don't understand. Is love by force? Is it by force?
Huh?
Why are you forcing me? I mean, you never forced me before. So why are you forcing me now?
Because I love you.
Don't I have the right to love and not love? Don't force me.
Think about all we shared. Think about the good times. Please.
Well, I have forgotten them. Yes, I have forgotten the good times. Don't you get it? Don't you understand that I am no longer interested in whatever we have? Don't you get it?
Please. I understand, but please, please come back to me. Please.
Kachi, you need to save yourself this embarrassment. You need to save yourself this embarrassment and stress. I mean, I am too addicted to affluence. I am so addicted to it. So I can't date a broke-ass nigger like you.
Baby.
Let alone marry you.
Nobody knows tomorrow. Please.
Kachi, have you not embarrassed yourself enough? Are you not a man? Eh? Are you not a man? Take my advice, boy. Instead of you to waste your precious time chasing after shadow, go and rebuild yourself. Stop thinking about love. This is not the time for you to love. This is the time for you to make money. Baby, stop chasing shadows. Because this love you're chasing is actually shadows you're chasing. So help yourself. Go and rebuild your life.
Don't even call my name, okay? And when you're done kneeling, use the door.
Uju. Hi.
Uju.
Hi.
Oh my love,
I'll talk to her later, okay? Come with me. Yes. Come with me.
You left me when I needed you most. I thought you loved me. Why?
Stop chasing after Uju for now. Try to get on your feet first.
I understand, but I wish I could. I love Uju so much, and I miss her. And right now I'm so lonely. My loneliness is killing me. It is.
I know it's not easy for you. It's not going to be easy for you, I know. But since it's not working, you have to be a man. Move on. Move on with your life. You have things to do with already. You have things to deal with already. Just move on and forget about Uju for now, okay?
The truth is, I'm in love with Uju. I love her so much. It's unfortunate I can't do anything to bring her back. I can't do anything to win her back to myself.
Kachi, honestly, Uju is my friend. And I'm in the best position to tell you what is right. Move on. Forget about Uju, because Uju has already moved on with her own life.
she in love with someone else?
Well, if that will make you move on, yes, it's a big yes. She's in love with someone else. She has moved on with her life. You have to do the same. Move on with your life.
Did it go well?
Obviously. I'm tired of people making other people look small just to defraud them.
Since your sentence is deep, what happened? They did not like your innovation.
Of course they do.
Okay.
They do. But just like others, they try to talk down on my battery just to make me sell it off at a low price. They say the innovation is good. But from what they saw from their prototype, they say their concern is on their claimed high power, high capacity, and a long cell life silicon. And the concern is a very big risk to their company. So they are offering me 2 million naira to buy it outright, then recreate it. What a bunch of criminals.
Emeka, they offered you 2 million naira.
Yes, they offer me 2 million naira for a product worth billions of naira. My anger now is the little money that I'm managing that I used to take transport to and flow and other expenses.
But Emeka, if they offered you 2 million naira, you should have accepted it considering your financial condition now. You believe so much in this your innovation, and I believe in you. So don't worry. Better investors will come. Oh, don't get worked up. Okay?
I want to go home and rest. I'm very tired.
Fine.
But please give me water. Let me drink.
You were very thirsty.
It's not easy. Water is life.
Go home and rest.
Let me go, yeah? I will see you later.
Okay. Take care. Don't think. Bye.
Hi guys, it's a girl again. You already know. How you all doing? Hope you're having a marvelous time. Happy weekend. I know you're good, right? Yes, of course. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Okay. Yeah, I can see that. Angela, I can see you. Godwin, good to see you. How you? Yes, I'm okay. I'm fine. You look beautiful. Oh, thank you. Ebere, your phone.
Okay, I'm coming.
This has to be fun. Yes, so it has to be fun. You understand? Okay, guys. Yes, hope you're having a marvelous time.
Mercy.
Yes, darling.
It's Uju. She sent a text that she's actually going to her boyfriend's house, that she won't be returning.
That's good for her.
She said her boyfriend bought a house.
How's that my business? Even if the boyfriend likes, he should go to Asorok and buy a house. It's none of my business.
Okay. Prince Jachike bought Kachi's house. What?
Doctor, what exactly is wrong with him?
He has heart failure.
Heart failure?
Yes. But do not worry. We'll place him on medications that will help the heart to pump blood regularly. Medications that will also reduce the blood clots and remove excess sodium in the blood. And more so, curb hormones that will tend to weaken the heart so that the heart will start working properly. Do not worry, we are on it.
So that means he's going to live here in no time?
Yes, especially if he responds so fast to treatment. I believe so.
Thank you so much, doctor. Thank you very, very much.
You're welcome. Excuse me.
Okay. How do you feel?
I just feel a little weak.
But don't worry, the doctor said that you're going to be out of here in no time, okay?
Yes, I heard him. Where's Uju? Does she come with you? Is she not aware I'm here?
Kachi, if you want to leave this place as soon as possible, you have to focus on getting better. Forget about who came to visit you and who did not.
Jide. He was the first person I called when I came here. But he wasn't taking my calls.
Jide didn't? What?
No, he didn't. I sent him a series of messages, but he still has not responded, so I guess he's busy.
Okay, don't worry. I am going to call Jide myself. Or rather, I'm going to go to his house and see him, okay? For now, you have to take care of yourself. Let me go and see the doctor. Please take care. You'll be fine, I promise. Sorry. I'm coming. Let me see the doctor, okay? Seriously, Jide, I can't believe you're saying this. Kachi is your friend.
Kachi that is as selfish and greedy as anything anyone can think of. I warned him. I warned Kachi about this business, but he wouldn't listen.
Jide.
Okay, that aside, do you know that Kachi is owing me, as well as other people? Can you believe that Kachi sold the house without giving me a dime? All I got to hear is that money has finished. Who does that?
But Jide, I thought Kachi is staying with you. I thought you're living in the same house with him.
No, Kachi slept just one night and left.
I may not know what transpired between you and Kachi. But Kachi is your friend. No matter what he did, you have to forgive him. Kachi has been in the hospital and he needs help. I've even deposited some money. And now, seriously, I don't have any money on me. Please, Jide, you have to help Kachi. He's your friend. We can't just abandon him there. Please, now.
I don't think I would like to see him. But let me just think about it. So, can I drop you off now?
Yes, you can, but please just think about it and
I will think about it.
Make it snappy, please.
Don't worry, I'll think about it. Don't worry about it.
Uju, you're wicked. You are heartless. Just look at you. All dressed up to go and see your so-called prince. But Kachi has been at the hospital for 4 good days and you're so unbothered to go and visit him.
What do you want me to do? No, Mercy, tell me, what do you want me to do? Oh, you want me to go to the hospital so he will start professing love to me. And if I refuse, he dies of cardiac arrest and people start to blame me. Is that what you want? Is that it?
Can you hear yourself talk? Can you hear yourself? This is the same guy that has been lavishing you with money and gifts when he had it. At least the least you could do is to go and visit him. Pay his hospital bills.
With which money? Mercy, with which money? Or did you give me any money?
Do you and I know that you have this money? Uju, you have this money. Even if you don't want to use your own money, at least you can go and ask your generous prince to give you this money. He can do it. Yes! Help him for once.
Mercy, I can see that you're obsessed with this guy. But that's not even my business. You can go ahead and have him. And by the way, why can't you pay his hospital bill? Or is he not your friend? After all, I convinced my prince to buy the house just to help him. Is that not enough?
Of course. You asked him to buy the house because you love the house and you're desperate. Leaving Kachi the way you did was bad. But not being concerned about his health is worse. Think about it, Uju. Think about it.
This is pathetic. It's so sad. I mean, why do people always pay back evil for good? Well, it's obvious she was with you for your money. Only that you didn't notice on time.
That's right. I mean, you wouldn't blame me. I could afford anything I wanted at the time. And at that point in your life, it is hard to, you know, discover who really loves you and who doesn't. Yeah.
Yeah, I agree with you. But then again, it's really sad. But you have to move on.
Yeah, I'm trying. I'm trying my best. Hey, thank you. I must thank you for everything you're doing. I mean, assisting Mercy to take care of my bills with the little you earn, and you barely know me. It shows you're a good person, you know? Yeah, thank you very much. I appreciate everything.
You're welcome. Again. But I know you now.
Right.
Right. I will have to leave you now. There are some other patients I have to also take care of.
That's right.
You will be discharged when the Mercy comes.
Thank you.
Okay.
Is everything okay? I mean, since we got here, you've been moody, extremely quiet. You're not saying anything. Is there a problem? You can talk to me. Whatever it is, you can talk to me.
Can I ask for something?
Yeah. Sure. Anything. Whatever it is. I'm going to answer you, or I'm going to provide it. It's your right to ask.
Honey, you know we've been dating for months now. Don't you think I deserve a car? Why are you laughing? What's funny?
Listen, it's either there is some divinity that has intervened on your behalf, or sheer coincidence, or some voodooism has been employed.
How do you mean?
Look at that. Do you like it?
Wow, it's beautiful and I love it.
As we speak, this vehicle is on the high seas.
Okay.
And it's yours.
It's mine?
Yep.
Are you serious?
I'm serious.
You mean this?
Yeah.
This is mine?
It is yours.
Honey, come here! Oh, baby.
It's going to be down in 7 months. And I will clear it and register it in your name.
Oh,
okay?
Baby. Aren't you the sweetest?
Am I not the sweetest?
Aren't you the sweetest?
Okay.
Thank you so much, darling.
See, you're happy now.
Of course I am happy.
Let's drink to that.
Of course. You know, you hold the key to my happiness.
I do.
And I love you so much.
Can I have that key? Where is the key?
It's inside here.
It's in there?
You want to get it?
Can I have it?
You want to get it?
Yeah, I want it.
It's locked inside.
Well, I wish to have the key.
How could you do this to me?
Okay, Kachi. The doctor said we are free to go.
We're free to go?
Yes, you've been discharged. Well, your house is beautiful. It's not as bad as you made it appear.
Please stop patronizing me. Make yourself comfortable. What can I offer you?
Oh, nothing. Don't bother, okay? I have things to attend to. I have to go now. I'll see you in the evening.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I'll see you in the evening. Be good. Bye.
Hey, Emeka, I've been meaning to tell you. Guess who have been coming to the hospital, frequenting the hospital lately? Yes.
Who? I can't guess.
Masina Chuku, your ex-girlfriend.
Mercy? Is she sick?
No, she's not. She's been coming to see one guy that was admitted in the ward. Relax, Emeka. The guy is not her boyfriend.
But I never care about who the guy is.
You just needed to have seen the way your face changed immediately you heard she was coming to see a guy. Anyway, the girl is a nice girl. Oh. She has a large heart. I mean, this guy in question, nobody comes to see him. She's the only person that comes around to visit him. Even his own girlfriend abandoned him. Can you believe that?
Wow.
She's a nice girl.
Anyway, I'm not surprised. I have been with Mercy for a very long time. And I can say she has a large heart. Just like you.
Just like me?
Yes,
Hey. Well, I've experienced her kindness firsthand. She's a nice person, so I will take that as a compliment. Look, I had a very long day today. I'm so tired. I think I should go inside and rest a little.
Good now, I'll be here.
Hello, good afternoon, ma. I want to buy Panadol.
Madam, take it easy before you swallow this person here.
Jesus. It's only somebody that is hungry that yawns. Please, I'm very tired. I had a long day.
Talking about a long day here, I was told you were seen in town with a guy. Who is he?
The person that told you that he saw me with a guy should have told you the identity of the guy. Oh, you didn't ask them?
I did.
Okay.
But it wasn't clear. I wanted to be sure.
What wasn't clear?
Kachi. You were seen around town with Kachi, like couples.
Oh, that. So they didn't tell you? My girl, They didn't tell you that I was kissing Kachi, hugging him, touching him, licking ice cream with him. And they saw us at one corner doing jiggy, you know.
Mercy, you're not ashamed of yourself. You were seen around town with your bestie's ex-fiance. Do you have a soft spot for broke-ass guy? Mercy, it looks as if a criteria for dating you is being broke. Once a man is broke, that very man will be attracted to you.
You don't have sense.
Yes.
In fact, you are senseless.
Thank you.
What are you saying? Kachi lavished all his money on Uju with reckless abandon. He did everything humanly possible to make her happy. What did he get? Heartbreak. Kachi has been at the hospital where Uju abandoned him. Kachi was good to you. Kachi was equally good to me. Where is your conscience, Ebere? Where is Uju's conscience? I don't have your time. I am very tired. I don't have time for all this nonsense.
How do you have my time when you are addicted to broke-ass niggas? You can't ever have my time now. You can't have my time. Then do you, this girl, then do you this thing. So attracted to broke-ass guys.
At least I'm decent.
Decent. Only decent.
Well, I think the man is lucky to must have made it out alive. You know, the truth is, some people can be unimaginable and unpredictable.
That's right. You're very correct. Just like some people, they are compassionate and selfless.
I saw that one coming.
But it's true. I'm saying the truth.
Yeah, you're right.
I'm still very surprised because you're compassionate and selfless. You're also humble. Listen, the doctor saw a man who was dying. The doctor saw a man who had a heart disease. But you looked beyond that. You saw a man who had a heavy heart. And not just that, you came to my word and you encouraged me. You gave me hope. Not only that, you paid my bills.
I did not pay the bill. Mercy paid the bill. You know, I saw the whole situation. She wanted to pay, but the doctor won't budge on her leaving and coming back to complete it. So I had to give the little I had. I mean, Mercy is the principal person here.
Well, you can say that. And I'm not doubting the fact that Mercy is a nice person. She has a large heart. But the truth is, she did what she did for a reason. And this is the reason. She has benefited from me some time ago. Yes. But you? You helped me when you barely knew me.
I have told you before, I know you now. Besides, who says that you can't help someone you don't know?
The universe. Yes. Sometimes people just want to help you because they know they would get something from you. But in your own case, you're totally different from them all.
That's true.
So thank you.
You know, Nos Favor is one of a kind. And I must confess, I'm really blessed to have crossed paths with her. She's an embodiment of empathy.
Oh, both of you, okay. It's okay. Thank you. It's okay. Besides, Tachi, I am happy for you.
Aww.
Look at you. You know, you're fine now. Getting over your kids and everything. I'm happy for you.
Well, all thanks to you. All thanks to you.
Baby Ako. What's up now? You didn't tell me you're going out.
Yeah, I'm going to see someone. Why are you so happy?
Well, must anything happen before I'll be happy? I don't understand.
You know what I'm talking about, baby girl. You know it. Besides, he didn't tell me who visited. I believe he's the reason for your happy mood. Who is he?
I don't understand. Must a guy visit me before I will be happy? So you've concluded that he's a guy that visited?
Of course.
Rico, go.
Alright.
Just go.
See you later.
See you later. Oh, hello, baby, no be today. Hey, I'm gonna do dripping. They cry for help. Hey, baby, louder. Baby, mama. Louder. Hey, ma, can I follow you? For what? No verse, na joke at the joke. Baby, Uncle, I'm seeing things. I am seeing things.
Keep seeing it.
I'm seeing it. Don't worry, I'll keep seeing it. Bye, girl.
Emeka, I must say this. You're very talented. You're very, very talented. But my question is this. Are you saying no one has shown interest in your project?
Of course I have many of them. But the problem is that they will always try to play down on the efficiency of my job. Ended up pricing me a mega sum just to take the full ownership.
How much did they offer?
Actually, they've offered though. But I think the highest they've offered me is 3 million naira. 3 million.
Okay, I want you to tell me your plan. Do you intend to sell the project outright? What's the value of this project?
To be honest with you, I don't want to sell the project outright. I want to have a stake on every deal. You understand? Now, talking about the valuation, I think the valuation depends on the offer. The valuation depends on the offer.
But I'm confused.
About what?
Are you saying you turned down 3 million naira in this present condition?
I turn it down. I turn it down. I can't stand myself losing my multi-million naira project for a loaf of bread. No, I can't stand that chance. I know what I have. I know what I created. And I'm very sure that the right offer will come. And I'm willing to wait. I'm willing to wait. It's not easy. It's not easy, but I have no choice. I have to wait. I have all the time to wait, as a matter of fact.
Hello?
Yes? What are you doing here?
What are you doing here?
What are you doing here? Really?
How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Mercy.